Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Postmates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Postmates, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Postmates website or download the Postmates app from your device's app store. Once you're on the website or app, locate the sign up button. Click on it to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and create a secure password. Next, provide your first and last name as requested. Select your preferred phone number and enter it. Choose to receive a verification code via SMS or call. Check your phone for the verification code. Enter the code into the designated field on the screen. After verification, you'll proceed to fill in additional details. This includes your delivery address and preferred payment method. Once all fields are completed, review the information for accuracy. Finally, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you are now registered with Postmates. You can start browsing or making deliveries right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.